Hello students, hope you all are safe and healthy. This is my first video for class 8th. So children, start with the writing section. And in writing section, today we are going to discuss how to write a notice. Although notice is not a new topic for you, but still let us go through a brief description of it. See, notice is a short composition. It is mostly written in formal way. It is widely used to announce events, meetings, to make appeals and for various other reasons also. Now let us see how to write a notice. This is layout of notice. As you can see, this is the outline of notice. Here you can see I have marked various components. On the first place, you have to write the name of the organization issuing the notice, and that is to be written in capital letters. Then you can see a red arrow. Wherever you see a red arrow, you have to leave a line. Then on number 2, you have to write the word notice in capital letters. Then again leave a line. And on the third place, you have to write the date of issuing the notice. That is on the left hand side. And on number 4, write down the appropriate heading for the notice. This heading is also to be written in capital letters. So children, you have seen number 1, 2 and 4. All these things to be written in capital letters only. Now comes the main part, which is the body, or you can call it content. It includes all the relevant information like date, time, venue, fees, last date, whom to contact, etc. While writing it, you must be very careful as you cannot use first person pronouns. The words like I, me, are, these are not used at all. And you must check the word limit, that is 50 words. Do not exceed the limit of 50 words. Next comes the signature of the person writing the notice. Then on number 7, name of the person writing the notice in capital letters, which will be followed by the designation of the person. And finally, put the notice in the box. I think you have got it. This is the reference list I have prepared and already explained. Now points to remember. Number 1 is first person pronouns are not to be used. Second, the content should not exceed 50 words. Third, all the details like date, time, venue should be included. And the fourth, that is very important, that notice should be completed on one side of page only. Breaking of the box is not allowed. You cannot write down the notice on 2 pages. It must be completed on one side itself. Now this is example, a sample notice. You read it carefully. This is about an event, and the event is painting competition. It includes all the relevant information like time, venue, and all the information. And the content is followed by signature, then the name of the person, and cultural secretary is the designation of the person. So this brings us to the end of the notice. Hope you have got it and everything is clear. Thank you. Thank you, children.